I'm on a girls trip and my husband calls me every hour. Yeah, I let the dogs out. That's good, baby. Yeah, Hadley peed and pooped. Oh, that's good, baby. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, love you. Okay, bye, baby. FaceTimes again. Hey, I'm ordering dinner. That's good, baby. Every time. Just keep amping him. That's good, baby. Leave me alone, baby.
Oh my gosh. The disrespect in this video. She's on a girls trip and he keeps sending her these messages, and the way she's speaking about him. When women don't respect men, the sexual attraction in the relationship is done. And what we're seeing in this video right here is a woman who does not respect and admire her man. So you can imagine what the relationship is like outside of that. This highlights the importance for guys to actually be a man who's strong enough on his own, who doesn't need to call her every minute, doesn't need to lean on her, doesn't need to rely on her. This type of behavior is what really repels women from men, because it's showing a man from a biological level who's not strong enough to be on his own. And women love a man who is like that. This is the problem you see in a video like this. I don't even fault the girl. I fault the man for the way he's showing up in the relationship with her. Let me know what you think in the comments below.